What a stroke of luck to be able to bring you this. We'd been filming sunrise at Glastonbury Tor, and while taking some drone footage before we left, we noticed this balloon passing by. It was reasonably high, but we thought it would probably land on the Somerset Levels, between Glastonbury and Wedmore. So we decided to chase it in the car and see if we could watch it land. The levels were holding a lot of ground mist, so we knew it would look eerie. As we pan across the levels towards Wedmore, the balloon comes into view through the mist. Gliding slowly, but with purpose. The power lines come into view as it descends, such a beautiful sight. We're so lucky this ground mist gives the footage an amazing feel. And it didn't disappoint. Appearing from the mist with the sun breaking through, it was coming into land. The power lines could be a problem, but the pilots skillfully avoided them. And with the support vehicle passing by, it was going to land in the distant farmland. The world famous Haynes Motor Museum is in Sparkford, Somerset, near Yeovil, and this balloon, in their colours and markings, looks spectacular. I'll put the link in the description below. Chasing the balloon all the way from Glastonbury and watching a really perfect and controlled landing, it's down. As we leave the balloon behind to be collected by the support crew, pure chance we were able to bring you this landing across the Somerset Levels through the mist of the Haynes Motor Museum balloon.
Please like, subscribe and share to this channel and click the bell to get notifications of new content.